Hi, my name is Steve Lockhart, and I graduated in December 2014 with a concentration in community and behavioral health. Um, I focus on my practicum and capstone in two different agencies. One was at the Colorado Department of Public Health working on worksite wellness, which allowed me to gain experience in a state agency and working on a different area of interest, as well as working on documents that would go to the governor, which was an awesome experience for me. And my capstone allowed me to work in the area of immunizations and grow in my experiences as a project manager and researcher. I'm currently working full-time for the University of Colorado, and actually we both worked full-time during our time in the Masters in Public Health program.
And I'm Ashleigh Ruehrdanz. I graduated in spring of 2013 in the environmental health track, and my practicum was with Sprout City Farms. They're a small urban agriculture operation run at the Denver Green School. And my capstone was actually an independent research study opportunity with Jill Litt, where I looked at community-supported agriculture on the Front Range and how that really impacted the Front Range food systems. I also, like as Steve said, worked full-time throughout the program, and I have continued to stay at that current position. I've been there for 8 years, and my master's definitely helped me obtain some new skills to help propel that job forward, but also really brought Steve and I together to work on something new and exciting.
And so my background and interests in the program, as I said earlier, is community and behavioral health. So I've worked a lot on community-based participatory research studies and specifically on food access studies.
And my background has been in research and evaluation as well, not so much community-based, but in more of a child welfare and oncology setting, and also do project management.
We actually first met in our very first class in the master's program in the Intro to Public Health.
Thanks, Jan. And I feel really fortunate that we actually met in Jan's class. We were randomly assigned to the environmental health group and had to work on a project for the entire semester. And I threw out the idea to our group around urban agriculture because it was something I was interested in. And from there, we both kind of stayed in touch. We had a few overlapping classes over the rest of our tenure here. But after Steve graduated, we met up again and talked about the idea of starting our own nonprofit to target food deserts in the Denver metro area.
So for the past year, we've been working with a bunch of different agencies and individuals related to food in the Denver metro area, so groups like Live Well, the Grow House, and Denver Food Rescue, as well as a fellow alumni, Blake Angelo, who is the food systems manager for the Denver metro area. So our nonprofit is called Any Street Grocery, which is a mobile grocery store to address food access and food security issues, providing affordable, healthy food options to those individuals.
So as Steve said, we've been working on this for a little bit more than a year with a lot of different groups, and we're really excited that we have established ourselves as a nonprofit with the gracious support of a fiscal sponsor in Denver Urban Gardens, which has allowed us to obtain some funding to do community work in North Denver, where we're actually going to be engaging the communities in the conversation around a mobile grocery store option and how that could really help them to address some of the food issues that they're facing. We've also had the opportunity to partner up with the CU Denver campus, as well as InWorks, which is also going to be coming to the Anschutz Medical Campus Library. And it's a group of students as well as professional design, architecture, and planning students, and again professionals, We held a really successful event last month where a number of people came together to help us develop some really unique design ideas for what a mobile grocery store could look like and how that design could help facilitate shopping and really have a really great customer experience.
And if anyone is interested in working with us or would like more information about any street grocery, please don't hesitate to contact us. And we just want to wish you all good luck in your capstone presentations, and just want to say congratulations.
Thanks, guys.